How to make corned beef and cabbage. You'll find a detailed ingredient list and step-by-step instructions in the recipe video. This beef brisket slow cooked with cabbage, potatoes, and carrots. It's an ultimate comfort food and a tasty. Ingredients. For the corned beef. For pound corned beef brisket, homemade or store-bought. 1 tablespoon pickling spice. 2 bay leaves. For garlic cloves peeled. For the cabbage and vegetables. 2 cups water. For medium carrots chopped on a bias into 2-inch pieces. 1 pound gold potatoes or Yukon gold potatoes, quartered. 1 medium yellow or white onion peeled, halved, with halves cut into thirds. 1 medium head cabbage cored and cut into wedges. 1½ teaspoons Dijon mustard. Instructions. 1. Rinse the brisket all over, then pat very dry. If applicable, trim off excess fat carefully with a paring knife, being careful not to cut away any of the meat itself. 2. Place the brined brisket into a large stock pot, 6 quarts or larger, and cover with at least 1 inch of water above the brisket. Add garlic cloves, bay leaf, and 1 tablespoon pickling spice. 3. Boil over high heat, then reduce it to a simmer. Let simmer for 3 hours. 4. Once the meat is ready, turn off the heat and let cool 10 minutes. With kitchen tongs, carefully remove the corned beef from the cooking liquid and transfer it to a cutting board. Remove 2 cups of liquid from the pot, then strain it into a bowl to remove any pieces. Set aside. Discard the remaining liquid from the pot and lightly rinse the pot to use later. 5. Let the corned beef cool for 20 minutes at room temperature. 6. While the corned beef cools, place the 2 cups of the strained liquid and 2 cups of water into the now empty pot. 7. Top with carrots, potatoes, onion, and cabbage. Bring liquid to a boil, then use a soup ladle to baste the vegetables at the top of the pot. Reduce heat to a low simmer, cover, and cook until vegetables have softened, about 25 to 30 minutes. Baste the vegetables with the hot liquid 2 more times as they cook. 8. While the vegetables cook, slice the corned beef against the grain into 1/4 inch strips. 9. When the vegetables are ready, use a slotted spoon to transfer them to a large serving platter that has a lip to prevent liquid overflow. Top the cooked vegetables with the sliced corned beef. 10. To the pot of leftover liquid from the vegetables, add the mustard and mix together until combined. Spoon the liquid over the platter. Enjoy! Ingredients notes. 1. Corned beef. Corned beef is flavored with whole spices like cardamom, mustard seeds, and peppercorns, plus brown sugar, vinegar, and a pink curing salt that gives it its color. You can make your own corned beef from scratch or purchase it. 2. Pickling spice. The key to classic corned beef flavor. It adds a delightful, harmonious blend of sweet, spicy, savory, and sour notes to the liquid. The pickling spice is also what tenderizes corned beef. 3. Bay leaf. The secret ingredient for tasty corned beef and cabbage. It subtly enhances the overall flavor of the dish and adds depth. 4. Garlic. Another flavor booster for the cooking liquid. 5. Cabbage. The classic companion for corned beef. Unlike raw cabbage, the cooked cabbage wedges are tender and flavorful. 6. Other vegetables. A mix of carrots, potatoes, and onion become deliciously tender in the cooking liquid, absorbing its rich flavors. 7. Dijon mustard. Tangy Dijon mustard is stirred into the cooking liquid at the end to help thicken it and add a boost of flavor. Some people also like to serve corned beef and cabbage with horseradish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.